Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. More morning humor from the Best of Yogi Berra book. Love these things so much. Nothing wrong with starting our mornings with a little bit of humor, right? Here you go. 90% of the game is half mental. That's perfect for this time of year. I mean, for any time of the year, actually. 90% of any game, the game of life, is all about mental. It's all mental. 100% is 50% of mental. Whatever the fuck you want to call it. Just think mental. Just think we got to have our head in the game. Because 90% of the game is probably more than 50% mental. But according to Yogi, that's what it is. So ponder that one for today. Think about it. Think about how much mental goes on in your head and how many of these, again, going back to my limiting beliefs and enabling beliefs, and how much of this stuff that we go through. Pick up the game, baby. Pick up the game. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Another one from Yogi. Thanks, buddy. We'll talk to you sometime soon. Peace out, everybody. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day. Love y'all.